So Yomar is the one that's seasoning the chicken. For tomorrow, we usually do it a day before so I can get all the flavor. But here's all the stuff he uses. And I did a garlic sauce here. So, Yomar, stop. So he's gonna add that. But yeah, this is what we're making tomorrow. Some molitos and some chicken. So, and he's having my favorite wine, La Crema. So sad I can't have any. I'll be back soon.
3 weeks.
I'll be back. But yeah, seasoning for tomorrow, 4th of July. Hey guys, good morning. I'm having like a little contraction. I don't think you guys can see it. There's like a big bump. See? Looks really weird. But yeah, today is 4th of July and I woke up, brushed my teeth, and I'm just back in bed. We're gonna make some breakfast outside when Yomar comes. And yeah, I really didn't sleep hardly anything with my hand. I searched that it's normal while pregnant, but it's so annoying. It just hurts and numbing. And my cousin did tell me that she experiences the same thing and she's not pregnant, but it's just weird. Like, it doesn't matter if I have my hand straight out, it still happens, and it happened like all night. It hasn't stopped. So yeah, I really didn't sleep nothing, so I kind of want to go back to sleep. But if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click the bell and you guys won't miss a new video. But yeah, today's 4th of July and what we're gonna do is cook outside. Yomar's brother was gonna come, but I guess he has to go to work because he's on call, so he's not coming, but that's okay. We're still gonna cook outside and still have a fun 4th of July. And yeah, I can't wait to eat. The coffee master here is making some coffee. Ooh. I'm excited. Okay. And he found some little fireworks. Nothing too much because we do live in a community, so this is just for the kids to like sparkle up here in the back. I don't know, this is probably just pops, huh honey? This one just pops?
I think so, yeah.
So, always spot. And I'm gonna make a fruit salad. Yo, I got some granola, some yogurt, and we have some fruit. So, gotta get the kiwis and all that stuff.
Yeah.
I am smashing some raspberries in here. Now I'm gonna throw them inside. Okay, now we are gonna go and see what Yomar is doing outside. This coffee is so good. But we cover this butter. I don't think Yomar needs it right now. Pero ¿dónde está la tapa? Oh, mírala aquí. Okay. There we go. Let's go see what your one's doing. So here, I got my turkey bacon. Don't mix the turkey bacon.
Don't mess? You gotta say don't mess.
Don't mix the turkey bacon with the
I
regular.
know that.
Okay.
You wanna cook yourself?
No, I'm just gonna sit here.
Yeah, I think so too, yeah.
I totally forgot to show you guys my breakfast because I was starving. But breakfast was good, fruit salad was delicious, and right now we just set up this little tent. The grill is gonna go over there since there's gonna be carbon, and then we're filling up the pool for the kids. So yeah, it is pretty hot, but it's gonna rain in the afternoon. Natalia drew a little American flag right here and she just sticked it to that. Ooh, yeah. Nati wanted to wear something 4th of July, so she found a blue shirt and some leggings. And Jada has 4th of July shirt on. So everybody is ready, but
I didn't have the red one, so I had to use the pinkish red.
that's fine. All right, guys, for the chicken buffalo dip, I got the buffalo sauce, I got blue cheese, I got a soft cream cheese, and I got the chunk chicken breast. And this is already cooked, but we are gonna put it in the oven. So just gonna do one because we're not doing too much. And I found the perfect little tray to put in the oven since we're not doing too much. I'm just gonna cut this into smaller pieces, and I am just gonna use half of cream cheese, or a little bit more than half. I'm just gonna blend everything with the chicken. After I smashed the cream cheese with the chicken, now we're gonna add some hot sauce. And some blue cheese. Should look like this. I'm just gonna mix everything again. Okay, so this chicken dip is complete. I'm just gonna put it in the oven, and then we're gonna have some. Let me get my hair out of the way. Then we're gonna have some with some chips. So yeah, this is really good, really easy to do. So yeah, let's put it in there. Okay, so I have to put the chicken dip. I think it's ready now. 350. Just gonna leave it here for about 15 minutes. Hey Google. Okay. So now I have to go. Okay. So let's see if I can find hot dogs, because I don't know where I put them yesterday. I don't know where I put the hot dogs, but this is the chicken that we seasoned. We need to bring this inside and get about, I think we're gonna have some hot dogs instead of hamburgers. Just gotta find them. So yeah, this is our other refrigerator because the other one's pretty small. I got something red in my nose. I feel like something bit me. But yeah, let's go see where the hot dogs are at. I gotta bring this inside and it's pretty heavy. And it already started raining. Not this little flag. But the chicken dip is done, honey. You wanna try some? Chicken dip.
Chicken dip? Yeah, I'll try it.
Try it.
I can't go there.
The kids are getting
Hopefully
wet.
it don't hail like last year.
Hopefully it doesn't thunder.
Remember last year it was hailing?
Está bueno.
Like, it don't hurt. No se lo jodas.
Ven y pruébalo, pa.
Está caliente, ya lo vamos a fire. Lo vamos a meter en la
Oh,
I was crying all day today. I was crying all day yesterday. I had to be crying all day today.
so good.
Tell me one more time that it's my ears.
Oh, honey, I gotta go see now that it stopped raining. Hold on, Papa. Oh, yeah.
Voy a poner el pollo ahí también sentado.
Sí.
And just flip it.
Lo puedes hacer ahorita cuando ya esté casi
No,
cocinando.
lo dejo ahí ya.
Yeah. That looks good. We're gonna have some leftovers for tomorrow. What?
Tell me that you tell me one more time.
Don't put your ear in the water, yes.
Oh, don't worry, because I have a conversation. I already have a conversation with God already.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
He said, I'll think about it. Oh, this is you.
We're on vacation with this music.
Yeah, because we're on home. I'm done with this home. Isn't that on vacation? I'm not there.
He's like, I know what you mean. Can't. Circle it around like this. Disney Channel, do the Disney Channel.
Wait, I look at
And then you gotta be careful.
Oh, wow, you're there, you're fat. Wow, you're there, no. Wow, this looks so good. He's only been in here for 2 hours. Probably 1 more hour. And we have this garlic sauce that I made. I'm just gonna add some more to it.
Just a little bit.
Looks so Okay, so my son decided to touch one of the little work, and he burned his little finger a little bit. So I got a Band-Aid and I'm gonna add a little bit of toothpaste. Toothpaste makes everything better. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Just like that. I'm gonna put it in his finger. He's fine. It's just he decided it was okay to touch. Show them. So it's just a little thing. It's not gonna hurt, puppy. Okay, and then push this, and that's it. Let me leave it like that, okay? Mwah. You'll be fine, okay? Don't put water because the Band-Aid's gonna come off, okay? I'm actually doing the rice right now. I got some tocino in here, and I'm just gonna make some white rice. I was gonna make yellow, but white is pretty fast. So chicken probably needs like another hour, and food is done. Come on, Papa.
This one.
What's that?
2, 3, 4. One more. Maybe not.
I'll see that one.
They're literally right here.
Oh, now I'm not gonna do it.
We was not expecting there to be a lot of fireworks here since there's a lot of trees, but a lot of people are throwing right next to our house, so that's pretty cool. The kids are with the little sparkles. Yandel does not want to know nothing about fireworks. Let's see. Oh, look how cute.
I guess. Oh no! Mommy, that was so pretty.
That was, huh?